Have you ever wondered how the US dollar, the most powerful currency in the world, is actually made? The journey of money creation is a fascinating mix of history, technology, and strict security measures. From the design stage to the printing process and distribution, each dollar bill undergoes an intricate production cycle to ensure its authenticity and durability. In this documentary, we will take you behind the scenes of the US Bureau of Engraving and Printing, BEP, to uncover the step-by-step process of printing money. You'll learn about the special materials used, the high-tech security features that prevent counterfeiting, and how dollars are distributed across the global economy. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to Facts from Francis for more incredible insights into how the world works. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Now, let's explore the hidden world of money creation. Money is the backbone of the global economy, facilitating trade, investments, and everyday transactions. Among all currencies, the United States dollar holds a unique position as the world's primary reserve currency, influencing global markets and economies. But have you ever wondered how dollars are actually made? The process of printing money is a fascinating blend of advanced technology, rigorous security measures, and historical traditions. The United States Bureau of Engraving and Printing, along with the Federal Reserve, plays a crucial role in producing and distributing currency that remains one of the most counterfeited in the world. In this documentary, we take a deep dive into the journey of dollar printing, from the initial design stages to the moment it enters circulation. This is the hidden world of money creation. The United States Bureau of Engraving and Printing is the primary agency responsible for producing paper money. Established in 1862, this institution ensures that all dollar bills are printed with precision, incorporating state-of-the-art security features to prevent counterfeiting. There are two main BEP printing facilities, Washington, D.C., which is the original printing facility, and Fort Worth, Texas, which opened in 1991 to meet growing currency demands. Although BEP prints the money, it does not control how much is printed. That is the job of the Federal Reserve, which orders new currency based on economic needs. Skilled artists and engravers create detailed portraits, vignettes, and intricate patterns using hand engraving techniques. A notable feature of the dollar is the portrait of US presidents and historical figures, such as George Washington on the $1 bill or Benjamin Franklin on the $100 bill. Security features integration includes watermarks, color-shifting ink, security threads, microprinting, and three-dimensional security ribbons, which are used on the $100 bill. Approval by the US Treasury. The finalized design is approved by the Secretary of the Treasury before it is used in production. The design process is highly secretive, and only a few officials have access to the final specifications before printing begins. Chapter 3. The printing process, step by step. Once the design is finalized, the real work begins. The printing of dollars is an extensive, multi-step process that involves cutting-edge technology and high-quality materials. Step 1. Preparing the paper. Unlike ordinary paper, US dollar bills are printed on a unique blend of 75% cotton and 25% linen, giving them a distinct feel and durability. This special currency paper is produced by the Crane Currency Company, which has been supplying paper to the US Treasury for many years. The paper includes embedded security features such as watermarks and security threads that glow under ultraviolet light. Step 2. Offset printing, also known as background printing. The first layer of ink is applied to the blank sheets of currency paper through offset printing. This step prints background colors and subtle security features that help in authentication. Step 3. Intaglio printing, also known as raised printing. Intaglio printing is where the main details of the banknote are applied. This process involves engraving the designs onto steel plates, coating the plates with ink and wiping off excess ink, and pressing the paper against the plates under extreme pressure. This method gives the dollar its textured feel, making it harder to counterfeit. Step 4. Adding serial numbers and treasury seals. Each bill receives a unique serial number, a Federal Reserve seal and a treasury seal, and a series year that represents the design update year. These details are printed in green ink and are crucial for tracking and authentication. Step 5. Cutting and quality control. After printing, large sheets of bills, each containing 32 or 50 notes, are fed into high-speed cutting machines. The final currency undergoes strict quality control, where defective bills are removed and shredded. Chapter 4. Security features of the US dollar. To combat counterfeiting, the US dollar incorporates several high-tech security features. Some of the most notable include color-shifting ink, used on denominations $10 and above. This ink changes color when tilted. 3D security ribbon, found on the $100 bill. It features moving holographic designs. Watermarks, hidden images visible when held against light. Microprinting, tiny, hard-to-reproduce text that requires magnification. Security thread, embedded glowing strips under UV light. These features make the US dollar one of the most secure currencies globally, deterring counterfeiters. Once printed and approved, dollars are sent to the Federal Reserve, which oversees money supply distribution. The process follows these steps. Shipment to Federal Reserve Banks, BAP ships newly printed bills to one of the 12 Federal Reserve Banks across the country. Distribution to commercial banks. Banks receive orders for new cash based on public demand. ATM and bank teller circulation. The money is then dispensed to customers via ATMs and bank tellers. Interestingly, most US currency circulates outside the United States, particularly in countries where the US. Chapter 6. How old money is destroyed. Not all dollar bills remain in circulation forever. The Federal Reserve inspects bills regularly, and worn-out or damaged bills are removed. The lifespan of different denominations varies. $1 bill, approximately 6.6 years. $5 bill, around 4.7 years. $20 bill, about 7.8 years. $100 bill, up to 22.9 years. Old bills are shredded and often repurposed for recycling or souvenirs. Conclusion. The dollar more than just paper. The US dollar is not just a piece of paper. It represents history, economic power, and security. The process of printing dollars is an intricate operation that combines art, technology, and strict regulations. By understanding how money is made, we can better appreciate its value and the effort required to maintain its integrity. This documentary has unveiled the secrets behind the creation of the world's most powerful currency. The next time you hold a dollar bill, remember the journey it has taken, from an engraved plate to your hands. Stay tuned for more insightful documentaries on facts from Francis.